Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a chicken curry with mushroom. And I'm going to use 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breast. I cut into small chunks. I'm going to use 1 onion for our tadka, olive oil, organic baby Bella mushrooms. I'm going to use it. This one has a 24 ounce in the pack. I'm going to use half, so it will be 12 ounce. Then I will be using spices from my spice rack, so please check it out the description for the ingredient list. These are baby Bella mushrooms. So I'm just going to cut into small pieces just like this. Make a half cut, then facing downward like this. You just cut it. You can make a bigger pieces, but if you make like this thin slices, then they really taste well and you will enjoy it more. So the same way I'm going to keep cutting, and once I'm going to cut these, then I'm going to wash these really well. These are organic mushroom, and these are shipped directly from factory once they package to the store. They are not pre-washed, so we're going to wash it well. So I'm going to finish cutting the same way. After cutting all the mushrooms, I put it in cold water. I'll wash it at least 3 times and make sure that there is no dirt. If any dirt is sticking, then just clean it. Start gas high, and I'll bring fry pan. I'll bring olive oil, 1 tablespoon olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, I'll bring 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 teaspoon mustard seed. I'll bring onion. Mix it. And we're going to cook our onion until they turn nice and brown. Cooking our onion for 4 minutes. They are nicely transparent. Bring the gas on medium, and I'm going to bring the spices. Half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon turmeric powder, coriander powder, half teaspoon, ground ginger, half teaspoon, garlic powder, half teaspoon, and I'm going to bring 1 cup diced tomato, and we're going to mix it well. We're going to cook our spices along with the diced tomato and onion for 1 minute. Cooking our spices for 1 minute. It's nicely cooked. Now I'm going to bring chicken. Mix it well. And we're going to bring our gas on high. And we're going to cook our chicken for 5 minutes. So keep stirring so it won't get burned. On high gas, cooking chicken for 5 minutes with tadka. I'm going to bring the gas on medium, and I'm going to bring the mushroom. Mix it well. Once the mushrooms are nicely incorporated with our chicken and masala, I'm going to bring half lemon juice. I'm going to use the strainer so we can catch all the seeds. Perfect. Mix it well again. Once it's nicely mixed, we're going to cover it with the lid and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. Cooking our chicken on medium gas, exactly 5 minutes. I'm going to open the lid I'll start the fan. Mushroom has released all the water, and now I'm going to bring gas on high, and after mixing it well, we're going to close with the lid again, and now we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. Cooking on high gas for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to bring the gas to simmer. I'll start the fan and we're going to open it. Our chicken mushroom, it's nicely cooked. And if I check the chicken, it's nicely cut through, it's fully cooked. All the chicken pieces are nicely cooked. Bella mushroom is nicely cooked. Now I'm going to bring 2 teaspoons parsley flakes. And we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to let it simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to dish out. As for gravy, this is the perfect chicken gravy, but if you want a running gravy, you always can add 1 cup of water. Another 5 minutes on a simmer. I'm going to turn off the gas. And our chicken, delicious chicken with Bella mushroom is all ready. And I'm going to start the fan. And I'm going to open the lid. Wow. It's looking so good. I'll mix it. It's looking super delicious, super tasty. I'll get my serving platter and I'm going to dish out. Our delicious chicken, quick and easy with Bella mushroom is all ready. Please try it, and you always can serve with roti, chapati, fulka, naan, and even tortilla. And best of all, with rice flour. I hope you like this dish. And if you're a mushroom lover, must try it. And if you like it, like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.